Hey guys, it's Laura with another ClickFix video, and today I'm going to show you how I use one of our shortcodes, the if screen. So before you use any of our shortcodes, you need to make sure that you have everything set up so everything works smoothly. So I'm here in the ClickFix website, app.clickfix.io, and once you log in into your account, you are going to go to Start Here. So the first step is to go to the Start Here page, and the first thing to do is to add your domain. So if you click here, you will be able to add your domain. Remember that if you have a free ClickFix account, you can only add one domain. So once you have that set up, you can go back to the Start Here page. And the next step is to install the Chrome plugin. So if you click here, it will take you to the Chrome store where you can download the plugin and it will be added to your Chrome browser. So the next step is to copy the script that you have to add to the header code in all of your Ontraport pages where you want to use one of our shortcodes. So this goes above any of the shortcodes that you use. So you just come to your Ontraport page and you click on custom code, and it's gonna take you to the header code where you paste your script, and then you can start working on your shortcodes. And those are the 3 steps that you need to follow in order to use our shortcodes. Also in this page you can find the documentation page where you can find all of our shortcodes and the written instructions for all of them. So here are all the shortcodes, and you can scroll down to the shortcode that you want to check out. And also if you have any other questions or you need more help, you can click on the support button and you will get a ticket to solve any of your doubts. And with that being said, we can move on to the tutorial. So as you can see here, I'm in the Ontraport page builder and I have 2 blocks, and what I want to do is move this element to the top so it looks like this. So you can see here the code that I'm using. So as you can see, I'm moving the element 275, which is this image. I'm moving it to the top using a negative margin. The issue here is that sometimes when you use pixels, it can be tricky to find the perfect number of pixels that can fit in mobile and in desktop, or in any different type of screen. So that's when the if screen shortcode comes handy. So as you can see here, I'm dividing the code in different types of screen. So here I have desktop, here I have tablets, here I have landscape for mobile, and here I have mobile. So this way I can play with the number of pixels that I'm moving the image to the top. So here's the end result. As you can see, when I flip the phone and go into landscape mode, the space between the button and the MacBook changes because I'm using the if screen code to change that space. So I hope you guys find this video useful and that you use it on your Ontraport pages. Don't forget to look for the shortcode in our shortcode library. Thanks for watching.